Best printer for DIY photo booth. Number 1. Canon printer for DIY photo booth. This Canon Selfie compact wireless photo printer has a built-in memory card reader, USB cable, AC adapter, and SD/SDHC cards. You get 4 GB internal storage space plus a 32 GB micro SD card slot. It supports JPEG and RAW formats, and print speeds range between 2 seconds per page up to 9 pages per minute depending on image sizes. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. HP Smart Printer for DIY photo booth. If you want something simple yet powerful, then HP Smart Tank Plus might be what you need. It works well with Amazon Echo devices. So if you already own one, you do not even need to buy anything else. You get a mobile remote app where you can use voice commands to manage your device remotely. You can also connect it wirelessly using its NFC tag. It is compatible with Android and iOS operating systems. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Epson Printer for DIY photo booth. The Epson photo printer offers high-speed printing at up to 20 pages per minute in portrait or landscape orientation. Its wireless connectivity makes it easy to use anywhere in the home or office. It also includes a scanner that lets you scan documents directly into your computer. You can easily set up this device on any compatible operating system, including Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, and others. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Epson Printer for DIY photo booth. This compact color photo printer has an automatic document feeder so you can print out business cards, receipts, labels, envelopes, forms, flyers, brochures, posters, greeting cards, calendars, and more. The ADF automatically feeds papers through the machine as needed. Print speeds range from 2.5 to 10 parts per million, depending on the model. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. DNP Printer for DIY photo booth. The DNP Event Photo Printer offers fast printing at high quality to meet the needs of event photographers who want to produce professional results quickly. This sublimation dye inkjet printer has vivid colors that will make your portraits stand out among other photographs taken during events. Its large format makes it ideal for portrait photography booths. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.